So we have our Raspberry Pi here, and we have this big wiring mess in here, right? So what we're, oops, let me see, make sure. So what we're trying to figure out here is, oh, just basically we're just finishing the wiring because we've kind of figured this out now. The sun is kind of up right now, but it's raining so much that the light sensor that we are using on the one camera that's active, which is right here, is not detecting enough light yet to turn on the camera down there. So I'm gonna modify the program here because I put a pretty high threshold on the light sensitivity here. I said it has to be 400 out of 1024, and I just figured, well, that seems safe because the initial one I put together was all about just being like, hey, I want to make sure this thing actually comes back to life every day. However much time of day that is, I just want to make sure that at some point of the day it comes back. Now the thing is the other one I used like this much bigger battery pack. Like these are like I think these are like two of the or three cells that you would find in like a Tesla or something, but maybe I'm wrong. Lithium-ion batteries, right? But this one was the original one I put together, which has the much smaller LiPo battery, so there's actually a crazy amount of space in this case with that tiny battery. Well, so anyways, we're gonna try and get this thing all hooked up. The other one I was using a powerboost 1000. This one I'm gonna go back to using the LiPo shim. It should be fine. There's basically an enable port, which over here in the program I'm calling relay. So I can set up the relays turned on with high, and then yeah. So also I'm reconfiguring the back of the case a little bit. I was potentially going to shoot the solar power cable out the back here. I can't decide. I might instead just put a little LED out the back. The other thing this one is going to do, I've been wiring up LEDs so that this LED will blink when it's charging, which is cool.